This is a 2003 Ford Explorer Sport, one owner, 4x4, with 57,000 miles. 4x4, rust-free, Ford Explorer Sport, 57,000 miles. In incredible condition for its age. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, like all of our vehicles. We do a 125-point pre-owned inspection. Goes through our shop. It will need nothing. If you're familiar with the Sport at all, there's no third row seating. The vehicle is running. I'll do my best to show you every angle. Alloy wheels. Tires are like new. Beige cloth interior is in great condition. One owner Carfax report. Factory radio, 4x4, 57,000 miles. No cracked dash. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control. So this is a 2003 one owner Ford Explorer Sport 4x4 with 57,000 miles, Texas vehicle, rust-free, senior owned, fully serviced. It needs absolutely nothing.